PowerPoint files are called presentations. Whenever you start a new project in PowerPoint, you will need to create a new presentation, which can either be blank or from a template. You will also need to know how to open an existing presentation. In this video, you will learn more about creating and opening presentations in PowerPoint. So let's get started. Most of the projects in PowerPoint begin the same way. To do this, you just access the Backstage view by clicking the File tab from here and then select New. And from here, if you want to start your presentation from scratch, you can select Blank Presentation, or you can choose one of the themes available from here, like this, and then click Create. But if you want a little more guidance with our presentation, and now you can always start with a template. Just go to the File tab again to access the Backstage view, and from here you can click New and search for the template you want. Example, you can choose the category from here, like Education, select it, and this is available for you. You can choose one of them. If you prefer this, select it and click Create. But make sure you have the internet connection in your computer. And wait. Now, you have your template. Like themes, templates come with their own design and color scheme, but they can include tips or placeholders that will help you further develop your slides. And now you can add your own content to the slides. Example, this advantage of smoking. Sorry, spell wrong. Alright, opening an existing presentation is pretty easy. Just go ahead and access the Backstage view again, and this time select Open. If the presentation you are looking for something you were done on recently, it may appear on the right over here. And when you see it, just select your presentation to open it. Alright. Okay, let's see other options. Go to Backstage view again and click Open. And this time you have a few options from here, like you can select the OneDrive if you connect to the OneDrive. Make sure you sign into your OneDrive account, and then you will see this, and you will be able to access your file in OneDrive. This PC, you can browse to find the location that you store the old file in PowerPoint, or you can click Browse to find it. Example, I put in the document, and when you see it, just select your file and then click Open right here. Okay, those are the basics. Now you know how to create and open an existing your presentation. Let's get to the next lesson.